Today, we're surveying several stock tanks tucked away in Arizona's high elevation forests. Some could be full of native amphibians and aquatic insects, while others might be hiding invasive fish that threaten Arizona's native streams. The only way to find out is to get a net in the water. Our day starts early. We load up the side-by-side with nets, buckets, and sampling gear before heading into the backcountry. Many of these stock tanks are miles from the nearest road. Some tanks are easy to access. Others require bouncing over rocky roads, crossing washes, and winding through the forest before we finally arrive. Each tank is different, and everyone has its own story. Despite the name, these aren't natural ponds. A stock tank is a man-made pond built to collect rainwater and runoff, originally designed to provide water for livestock. Across Arizona, thousands of these tanks are scattered across the landscape. In a place where water is limited, they become incredibly valuable, not just for cattle, but for elk, deer, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and countless aquatic organisms. To wildlife, they're an oasis in an otherwise dry landscape. One of the interesting things about stock tanks is that we often don't know what's living in them. Most have never been surveyed. Animals naturally colonize these ponds over time, but people also influence what ends up here. Sometimes that's good, sometimes it's a major conservation problem. So today we're checking multiple tanks to see exactly what's living beneath the surface. To sample these ponds, we're using a bag seine. The floats keep the top of the net at the surface, while weighted lead lines keep the bottom against the pond floor. As we slowly pull the net through the water, everything gets funneled into the center pocket. It's one of the best ways to quickly survey shallow ponds without permanently removing any wildlife. Once everything is identified, it's returned to the water. Some of Arizona's stock tanks provide surprisingly important habitat. They're often home to Arizona tiger salamanders, one of Arizona's largest amphibians. During the summer monsoon season, they can also support spadefoot toads, which spend most of the year buried underground before emerging to breed after heavy rains. We also find dragonfly larvae, diving beetles, freshwater snails, tadpole shrimp, aquatic plants, and all kinds of tiny creatures that form the base of the food web. Finding healthy native communities tells us these ponds are providing valuable habitat. Unfortunately, not everything we catch belongs here. People sometimes illegally stock these ponds with fish like green sunfish. At first glance, that might not seem like a big deal. After all, it's just one isolated pond. But during heavy rains, many stock tanks overflow. Water spills through the outlet and into nearby washes, eventually reaching streams and rivers downstream. Those non-native fish can escape and spread into waters that support Arizona native fish. Once established, invasive fish often prey on native species, compete for food, and can dramatically change an ecosystem. That's why monitoring these stock tanks is so important. By detecting invasive species early, we have a chance to stop them before they spread into sensitive watersheds. Now comes the fun part. Every time we pull the net, it's a surprise. Some tanks are packed with native amphibians. Some are full of aquatic insects. Others contain fish that definitely shouldn't be there. And every survey adds another piece to the puzzle, helping us understand which stock tanks are benefiting Arizona's wildlife, and which ones may need management to protect native species. No matter how many of these surveys we do, opening the net never gets old. You never know what's waiting beneath the surface. If you enjoy seeing the hidden side of aquatic wildlife and the work that goes into protecting it, be sure to subscribe. We've got plenty more adventures exploring the waters most people never get to see.
Here, you want to help me with this? Your pole's about to snap. I thought this one was gonna be cool.